Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set on and off the hourly beep and the beeping sound on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. I'm also going to have a full video, so a full guide with all the functions and features of this particular model. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, or you can click right here up on the right side and you are going to go to that particular video. So the beeping sound refers to the beeping sound that you hear when you press the buttons. In this moment it is off, and the hourly chime or the hourly beep refers to a beeping sound that you hear every full hour. So once it is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock and so on, you are going to hear that beeping sound signaling that another full hour has passed. So what you want to do is to press and hold the set or recall button. Then we are going to use the mode button in order to toggle between the different options. We are going to go past the setting of time and date, past the 12 to 24 hour display, past the date format, and here we are going to arrive at the hourly chime or the hourly beep. As you can see, I have it off. If you want it on, you can press the start/split button, and as you can see, it is going to switch between on and off. Then I'm going to press the mode button once again, and here I have the beeping sound. I'm going to leave it at on this time so that you can see how that looks. So I'm going to press the start or split button in order to set it at on. If you want it off, you can leave it off. And then I'm going to press the set or recall button in order to finalize, so to end the process. Now if I press any of the buttons, you will be able to see that I hear a beeping sound, and that is because the beep, the sound is now on. If you want it off, you can simply repeat the process and leave it at off. So that was the quick tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up and be subscribed to this YouTube channel. Once again, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to the full guide with all the functions and features of the Timex Ironman Triathlon. You will be able to learn more about the chrono, the timer, the alarm, so everything that you need to know on your Timex Ironman Triathlon. Make sure to check it out, guys. Be subscribed. Let me know in the comment section below what you would like to see next, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.